So we have currently decided that we want to rent some bicycles. This is the first time we're going to rent some bicycles here in Asia. And we have my bicycle ready here. And Arella actually has her own seat, which is super cute. This will be her first adventure. Arella, are you ready? I see Daddy strapped you in. So this is what you get when you have a carrier. And you can basically make this carrier into anything. Once we even managed to put it as a little high chair. And now it's holding our baby strapped into a bicycle. So that worked pretty well.
Hi everybody, my name is Miriam and I'm currently traveling full-time with my baby daughter Arella and my boyfriend Josh. My current motive in life is to explore the world, try new vegan food and learn about people's culture and do this all while raising a baby. Want to join me on my journey? Then subscribe to my channel right now and press that bell icon down below.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Miriam Kat's channel. Today we are here in Ninh Binh and we have this beautiful view just behind me, and today we will be exploring Ninh Binh on a bicycle which we just got from our hotel. The problem is we had a lot of plans here in Ninh Binh. Unfortunately, due to coronavirus, most of them are closed. But let that not destroy our trip here in Ninh Binh, so that's why we have the bicycles and we will be just getting lost today, exploring the city and hopefully finding a lot of nice, beautiful things.
Arella!
We just arrived to this mysterious place. As you can see, it's really misty today. The weather is rainy. Hence, we have bicycles instead of scooters. And look at this, guys. There's like literally a random villa in the middle of these caves with loud music surrounded by these rice fields. There's a lot of mountains everywhere and we have accidentally just arrived to the cemetery. Welcome to the Vietnamese cemetery. This is what it looks like. Actually, I saw a lot of these when I was driving in a van to Sapa the other day, but I didn't know what it was. But now I realize that it's a cemetery. As you can see, each of those graves is really, really special. And look at this, the colors on it. And just how incredible this all looks. Wow, super cool. This place is absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh. Check this out. Arella sitting on a bike with me right now. Then me and Juju gonna swap. But today she's with me and she's just chilling. I think she's due for a nap soon. We'll see. So technically we have like a free village tour today. We are observing this woman in the field right now. And this is your typical rice field right now, as you can see. And this woman is working really hard. I don't know exactly what she's doing, but she's digging out the mud. Rice, hello! Rice. And her whole legs are inside the mud. Oh my gosh, that's just so incredible. And I can't believe it's a woman doing this kind of job.
Women can do anything. Women can do anything.
Of course. Well, of course, has to be so social and waved at everybody.
Where your rice comes from.
Josh went to check out this cave because we've just been told by another backpacker that apparently there's like millions of mosquitoes, giant mosquitoes over there. And we are not really prepared for that. We don't even have a mosquito spray at all. So Josh went to check it out.
Is there many insects in France?
I don't know, he was French, but I'm not sure.
Because he mentioned that there's mosquitoes this big, like this big. I just rode through there. He did say thousands, so I was imagining flying everywhere. But as I was riding through there, I noticed a lot of dragonflies.
Oh, really? So, but are they big? He said big mosquitoes.
Yeah, like they're visible, like dragonflies. I don't know if he's meeting them.
Maybe he went somewhere else. arrived to the Tangkok River Lake and everything is closed. There is a lot of empty boats, a lot of tourists, but no one is actually riding those boats and nobody's getting in. So here we are. This is what it looks like. You even have a woman washing some clothes over there. Excuse me? I think someone's nap time happening soon. But yeah, there's so many boats over there, as you can see, like literally boats everywhere, and this lake is empty. There's some tourists sitting by the stairs over there, but nobody seems to be getting in, which is a shame, really.
I'm enjoying just riding a bike around, so
yeah, it's cool. It's a big change for us.
Yeah.
And it's been active, I guess.
Yeah, it's been a while since we actually ridden a bike. So, and Arella is surprisingly calm. So yeah, it feels good to get around, being active, seeing what's close to us on these little bicycles that are actually pretty good.
So this is what the boats actually look like. They're actually pretty small and they're just made out of metal. Very simple design. And we just arrived to this bridge and somebody is fishing.
These skies have a different light, why noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize.
So, Arella is falling asleep.
And we don't know
How should we do this?
Figure it out.
To keep her head. Are you tired?
Aww. Arella saw it, ready to go. Hopefully she'll have a good nap. We'll update you soon, guys. So we're just driving by and we came across this weird cave, Ting Hang Dong, which is just over there. We just kind of like noticed those stairs. So I'm going to try go and see what's happening over there. Wow. Interesting. This must be some sort of temple. It's really quiet in here. And when you go, ah, it's echoing. And it's literally in the middle of this cave. How cool is that? A temple inside a cave. I wonder what's behind that door. It's actually pretty scary checking in places like that. Okay, there's no one there. But it looks like people are actually here eating. But at the minute, it's empty. No one here. And look at this view. Gosh. Sorry, we have to stop again because we're driving past. I saw this and I'm like, okay, fair enough. But then I looked closer and I realized that there is a lot of pigs behind this fence. Don't know if anybody put them in here. In fact, this does look like somebody's house, but there's nobody here. And there's just these pigs everywhere. Super random. I don't even know what they're eating. They seem to be like eating something. But there's no food. Aww. So we have just arrived to another location here in Ninh Binh, and it's Tangkok again, but this time is the natural lake. And yes, it's closed, and yes, this was a plan, but at least we can bicycle around it and have a look from this view. So this is the lake, and it's literally surrounded by these mountains and trees, and it looks so incredible. It runs through like most of Ninh Binh, and I wish we could take a tour, but unfortunately there's nothing we can do because it's closed. This lady is literally rowing with her feet. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that. So we have just arrived to another destination here in Ninh Binh, and it's this Bishdong Pagoda, and it's surrounded by this kind of like a lake and massive mountains, so it looks super incredible. And we have to walk through this like cement little bridge, which has to be careful because it's really slippery right now. Slippery, slippery. As we're walking in on this side, check this out. It's this beautiful cave and this beautiful tree dangling down, and then there's a path. I wonder where it goes. Maybe to like another place with caves?
It's locked.
Oh, so this leads to a door that is locked right now. But let's just have a look what it could have been. Okay, so this probably... Jujulina, you just farted!
No, that was a mouse. So this must be part of like the closure of the coronavirus, maybe?
Probably. This is probably why we can't enter. A lot of places we couldn't enter, as you know, because of the virus. But we are trying to enjoy the views and the natural landmarks of this world, and it's pretty incredible.